Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to the class of mathematics. We have completed exercise 2.2 till question 6. Today we'll continue with question 7 and question 8. So let's try to understand and solve the question 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Now here you should clear the sum of means एडिशन है कोई भी 3 मल्टीपल्स का. ओके, द सम ऑफ 3 consecutive means one after another multiples of 8 is 888. यानी इनका एडिशन है 888. देन फाइंड द मल्टीपल्स. Now here you should know the multiples, that what do you mean by multiples? Multiples of 2 यानी 2 के टेबल में जो भी आंसर्स है 2 1s are 2, so 2 4 6 8 these are the multiples of 2. Okay, and consecutive multiples यानी one after another, so this 2 4 6 are consecutive integers, multiples of 2. So similarly here consecutive multiples of, so here we have to go with the multiples of 8. Okay, so suppose the first multiple of 8 is x. First multiple of 8 is x. Then second multiple will be x plus 8. Why will it be x plus 8 dear students? कई बार आपको जब टेबल्स नहीं आते हैं देन व्हाट यू ऑल यूज टू डू, यू ऑल यूज टू ऐड ऑन 8 8 8 8 8, राइट? सो वी विल डू दैट. सपोज द फर्स्ट मल्टीपल इज x, then the next multiple is x plus 8 and the next will be x plus 16. Why the next will be x plus 16? To get this second multiple we have added 8 in the previous. So now to get this third one I will add 8 in this. तो ये 8 plus 8 क्या हो जाएगा? 16 हो जाएगा. ये 8 plus 8 क्या हो जाएगा? 16 हो जाएगा. Okay, so here they have given 3 consecutive multiples of 8. So this is the first multiple of 8, this is the second multiple of 8 and this is the third multiple of 8 which is added up to 888. So this is how you will form the equation and then after you will solve. तो यहाँ पर कितने x है? 1 2 and 3. So you will take 3x plus you will add this constant. So 16 plus 8 24 is equals to 888. Now you will solve this by transposing it. You will solve. So 3x is equals to 888 minus 24. So you will get 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 2 6 and this is 8. Now let's try to solve. So this 3 and x are in multiplication. If you will transpose then it will be in division. So let's divide it. 864 divide by 3. So 3 2s are 6 as 8 is not there in the table of 8. 8 minus 6 2 and you will bring down 6. Then 3 8s are 24 as again 26 is not there in the table of 3. So 2 bring down 4 and 3 8s are 24. You got 0 means you can take 288 as your answer. Okay, so value of x is 288. Value of x is 288 which is your first multiple of 8. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड मल्टीपल को हमने क्या सपोज किया था? x प्लस 8. तो इसको हम ऐड करेंगे 288 प्लस 8, हेंस यू विल गेट 296. So this will be your second multiple. Now what was the third one? X plus 16. So 288 plus 16. So by adding it, let's see what will you get. 288 plus 16, 4, 8 plus 16, 4, 1 up, 0, 1 up, and 3. So your answer is 304. So these are your 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Now I already taught you how to check your answer. इनका एडिशन वो ऐसा कह रहा है कि ये तीनों मल्टीपल्स का एडिशन 888 होना चाहिए. So let's try to check that. 288, 296 and 304. 288 plus 296 plus 304. So 8 plus 6, 14, and for 18, then again this is 18, and 3, 2, 5, and 3, 8. We got the answer. So this is how you will solve. Okay, let's take a quick recap how to form the equation of this question. Here they have said the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. So first मैंने suppose किया x, तो दूसरा होगा x plus 8 because multiple of 8 है. So by adding 8 you will get, and third होगा x plus 16 because multiple of 8 है, तो हर बार आप उसमें 8 जो है वो ऐड करते जाओगे. पता है हम लोग ये करते थे 8 1 ज़ा 8, फिर 8 2 ज़ा अगर हमें नहीं पता है देन वी आर एडिंग 8 in 8, फिर 8 3 ज़ा नहीं पता है तो हम 16 में 8 ऐड करते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू विल फॉर्म द इक्वेशन for this question. Okay, now let's begin with the next question. 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, यानी उसने कहा है कि 3 consecutive integers है, मतलब एक के बाद एक. सो सपोज पहला इंटीजर है x, दूसरा इंटीजर है x प्लस 1 और तीसरा इंटीजर है x प्लस 2. यहाँ मैंने 1 और 2 क्यों लिया डियर? बिकॉज यहाँ इसने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कि वो किसी का मल्टीपल है. इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन दे हैव स्पेसिफाइड दैट इट इज़ द मल्टीपल ऑफ 8. सो आई हैव एडेड 8 इन ईच, but here they have given consecutive means one after another. So simply you will add 1 and 2. Okay, so x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now further he has added one sentence and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. रिस्पेक्टिवली मतलब जो पहला है वो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, जो दूसरा है वो 3 से और जो थर्ड है वो 4 से. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट यू विल गेट बाय डूइंग दिस. 2x प्लस 3 ब्रैकेट में x प्लस 1 प्लस 4 इन ब्रैकेट x प्लस 2. लेट्स रीड इट फर्दर. दे एड अप टू 74, यानी इनका एडिशन है 74. Then find these numbers. Let's try to solve this question, but before that let me recap this. यहाँ उसने क्या कहा है? 3 consecutive integers है. तो सपोज पहला इंटीजर है x, दूसरा है x प्लस 1 और तीसरा है x प्लस 2. Now they are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. यानी पहला जो है वो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, थर्ड जो है वो पूरा 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और सेकेंड जो है वो पूरा 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और ये पूरा 4 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. And they add up to 74 means you will get this 2x plus 3 in bracket x plus 1 plus 4 in bracket x plus 2 is equals to 74. Understood dear? Now solve it. 2x plus, इसे डायरेक्टली आप लोग ऐड नहीं करोगे, पहले इनको सॉल्व करो. सो दिस 3 इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन विथ x, सो इट विल बी 3x प्लस की साइन एज इट इज़ एंड 3 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1, सो इट विल बी 3. Then 4 will be multiplied with x, so it will be 4x plus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 74. Now this x will gets will gets added with x. So 2x, 3x and 4x. So 2 plus 3 5 and 5 plus 4 9x plus 3 plus 8 11 is equals to 74. So this is how you will get the simplified equation, and now you can solve this equation. So let's try to solve this equation. So here you can see 9x, then 11 is in addition. So if you will transpose, it will be in subtraction. So 74 minus 11, 4 minus 1 3 and 7 minus 1 6. So x is equal to 63 upon 9. Why? Because these are in multiplication. 9 sevens are 63. So x की value is. Okay. So now we have to find the integers. So what are that? X plus 1 and the next is x plus 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 7. So first integer is 7. Second one is 7 plus 1. So it will be 8. And the third one is 7 plus 2. So it will be 9. Okay. So these are the three integers for this. That's 7, 8 and 9. So today we are keeping up to here. Now in next lecture we'll continue with the next sums. Okay. Till then, do practice and have a great day ahead. Thank you.